Click on the link below to get price. The Celestron StarSense Explorer 150AZ is an app-enabled telescope designed to enhance the stargazing experience for both novice and more experienced astronomers. With a 150mm aperture, this tabletop Dobsonian telescope aims to provide clear and detailed views of celestial objects, all while integrating modern technology to aid in navigation and observation. At first glance, the StarSense Explorer 150AZ features a robust yet compact design, making it suitable for portability. Its 150mm primary mirror is a key aspect, allowing for sufficient light-gathering capabilities, which can reveal a variety of astronomical phenomena. This is particularly beneficial for observing deep-sky objects like star clusters, nebulae, and even some of the more distant galaxies. The telescope is equipped with a simple, user-friendly mount, designed to be stable while remaining easy to maneuver. One of the standout features of this telescope is its compatibility with the StarSense app, which can be downloaded to a smartphone. This application serves as a guide, helping users to locate celestial objects in the night sky with relative ease. By utilizing a smartphone's camera, the app analyzes the surrounding stars and guides the user in aligning the telescope accurately. This innovative approach simplifies what can often be a challenging task for beginners, allowing them to enjoy the wonders of the universe without the steep learning curve typically associated with traditional telescopes. In terms of setup and usage, the StarSense Explorer 150AZ is designed to be straightforward. Users simply need to assemble the telescope, download the app, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once aligned, the telescope can be directed towards various celestial bodies suggested by the app, making for an engaging and educational experience. Additionally, the adjustable height of the eyepiece allows for comfortable viewing for users of different statures, enhancing the overall usability. In conclusion, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 150AZ offers an appealing combination of traditional telescope features with modern technological enhancements. It is an excellent choice for those who are beginning their journey into astronomy, as well as for more seasoned enthusiasts seeking a portable, user-friendly option. By blending the tactile experience of observing the night sky with the guidance of a smartphone application, this telescope makes astronomy more accessible and enjoyable for a wide range of users. Whether you are gazing at the rings of Saturn or tracking the craters of the Moon, the StarSense Explorer 150AZ presents an opportunity to explore the cosmos with ease and fascination.